Ka jeng sedang ia ka Chief Minister's Youth Centre selani Cmyc. Kalapan kaladur ia ka thai Nongkyndong jong kejela. Da ai jeng hikai ia ki Samla ha ka bedai bat ka sap ka Phong bat ru ban plie ia ka lat ka lenti ban sengkam sengjam. Kani ka skim ka bala pelai pait ba haus nam ajar apuar da ka soka Meghalaya ringkat ka jeng trelang bat ka Saura Mandala Foundation ka project Defy bat ke India Ultimate kalapan mentoi ia ki babun ki khun Samla aga thai Nongkyndong ha ka leng kejela. Aga ba ki lala ban penjanai la ka sap ka Phong bat yeng ru hala ki jong ki kijat. Aga program ka badangchen umintirang ba ka jela u konrat sangma ula Pynkup brom ya ki san pongut ki Samla ki lala ban seng ya la ki kam la jong lingba ka jingyo jingrap lingba ka skim nano grant program. Aga ba shi pongut na kini ki Samla ki la yo pryang ya ka grant kum ki nanopreneurs. Tat hadu kum ta ka Cmyc kala ai jingkershan kum ba san hajar ngut ki nong seng kam la jong bat sam ru ya ka grant ka balong khat khandai point khat nyolak tingka.
We talk of entrepreneurship. You know, we have urban entrepreneurship happening. We have rural entrepreneurship that's happening. We have entrepreneurship when it comes to SHGs that are performed. We have skill-based entrepreneurship. And we have nano entrepreneurs like the people who are engaged out here. So therefore, at multiple fronts, to ensure that entrepreneurship is not just limited to a large enterprise or a large business that's starting, that we forget the rural people. I think that is an incomplete picture. So,
Emily kemau senram uba